Let's put together a couch I got for Ava's apartment off the Zon. All right, it came in a bunch of boxes. We got the first box open, and this is the first little section. So far so good. Day 2 of putting together the couch. We are making progress. Okay, so everything comes with one box, like a piece is in a box, and then it has the arms, which you attach right there, and then it has the cushions that go with it, each in a box. I now have all the pieces out, so now we just have to assemble. So slide all the backs and the sides on, and then all the cushions go, and I gotta get rid of all the boxes. It does come with directions, and it also comes with these pieces, which I'm not gonna put the pieces on yet because the couch is being moved to my daughter's apartment. So when it gets moved to my daughter's apartment, we will put these on because this is what attaches all the different pieces so they don't slide. This might be side piece. Same size. Okay. I mean, thank you. Pushing it down. Addie had to help me. Turns out I had the piece on backwards. That's why it wouldn't fit. So I'm actually making very good progress now. I need help with this one. This one's not it. I did it. I put the couch together. I did have to wrestle a little bit to get some of the sides in, but thank goodness for Addison. She helped me, but I'm so proud of myself. And the couch is amazing. Y'all, look how big this couch is. I got a big one because the girls who were living there before them said there wasn't enough seating, and that's the one thing they thought they would like more of. And there's a big living room. So there you go. Now they have a huge couch. The material is so pretty. It is a white, but it does have a little bit of color in it, which I think is great because you don't want it to be like too white. And it came with some pillows, but you know I'm not using those pillows. I have other pillows, so I'm gonna go grab those so we can check them out. Oh my gosh, they're perfect. You guys, look how gorgeous these pillows look on this couch. I love how much space it has. Can't wait to get this in the actual apartment with the rug and everything. But this couch is a 10 out of 10.